was not able to talk to her. She is my new baby.
Yeah.
So sweet.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I request Dr. Imran Yousuf, 𝗍𝗲𝗶𝗃𝗍𝗲 and recipient of Philippines' prestigious Knights of 𝗰𝗍𝗲 Award for the welcome address. A huge round of applause for the Honorary Consul General Philippines in Sindh and Balochistan, Dr. Imran.
A very good evening. Magandang gabi po. Assalamualaikum warahmatullah. This is Dr. Imran. Before I will give a welcome address, let's have the video message of the President of Philippines, Ferdinand Marcos, followed by the Foreign Secretary of Philippines, Manalo.
To all Filipinos around the world, maligayang araw ng kasaritan. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas.
Ladies and gentlemen, indeed this is a very prestigious honor, but because we have an incoming ambassador, highly learned professor with author of 3 books, His Excellency Emmanuel R. Fernandez. Can we have a big round of applause for him? His first ever visit to Karachi, because they just newly arrived in Islamabad, followed together with the First Lady, very pretty lady who is an artist, and she has an exhibition in 3 countries. Please welcome with a big round of applause the First Lady Alicia Fernandez. I'll just give you a quick, because this morning, because we had a function yesterday, then we have the function in the evening. So today in the morning I said, I was telling about the Pakistan, and I said the hospitality and the respect for sister is not only the culture, it's a religion in this part of the world. And then I asked, is it okay, madam, if I call you sister? And then she looked at me with a very pretty smile and she said, why can't you call me Behan? So that is, so now your round of applause for our new Behan will say that how this culture and the religion is the respect of a woman when it comes to the sisters. That's what this particular part of the world for. So thank you, my sweet Behan.